Alright guys, let's just get this electric skateboard, and this one is the brand. The reason why I got this, because I got this on Amazon for $129, and I think it's a little bit used, but it doesn't matter because I still got the warranty, Amazon Prime. And the reason why I picked this one, because this one's supposed to have a 400 watt motor. So we're gonna go and check it out, and go ahead and check it out what's inside. This is what you get, and you get your tool. It's always good to have this. Let's go ahead, and it comes with the wires and a controller was over here. So yeah, so all this for $120, I think $29 on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and see what this thing can do, and go for a ride. I have my son, I call this over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it. About it is the fact that you can just put your board at the bottom of your stroller, and we're gonna go and test it out. Ready to go when you're carrying your son and you just want to ride. I'm gonna go ahead and try this board, see if it can keep up with the standard. And I'm gonna go ahead and ride this with my stroller, riding it around over here, see how it works. I have like a little hill over there, and then we're gonna go ahead and see if this thing is really portable enough to take it anywhere with you or anything else. Let's go ahead and turn it on, see what this thing can do. And it's a little bit flat on the tire on my son's, and it's on. So let's go ahead and check it out what this motor can do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in what, slow mode. Kind of weird doing this on a, they call this on the slippers, but we'll try it out. See the bump? That's the only thing drawback about this. The bump is so bad.
So the motor can handle without no problem. I weigh about, I would say 180 to 190 pounds, especially with the stroller with my son in it. So we're about around 200 something pounds. And the only drawback about this mini skateboard is when you hit the bumps. That's it. But it has enough power. But the takeoff, of course, is very slow. I couldn't take off because I have my son. It's really hard to do in a stroller, but everything is fine. So you just need to have a quick launch. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.